First, gather all the supplies needed before you begin, which include grout, a plastic spoon for mixing the grout, latex gloves to protect your hands, a container filled with water, paper towels, a squeegee, a spray bottle filled with water, and because grouting is always a messy process, you will want plastic wrap to cover your work surface for easy cleanup. The first step is mixing your grout. Pour the dry grout in a disposable container. Stir in small amounts of water until the grout has a thick, oatmeal-like consistency. Once the mix is ready, thoroughly spread the grout over the mosaic surface, making sure to push the grout into all cracks and crevices. Once the surface is completely covered, use a squeegee to remove any excess grout. As you do this, be wary of how much pressure you apply to the surface. The goal is to keep the grout level with the tiles. Allow your project to sit for 15 to 30 minutes. When you begin to see a filmy haze form over the mosaic surface, it's time to clean your project. Lightly mist the tiled surface with water using the spray bottle. Then clean the surface with dry paper towels. You'll want to continue cleaning until the mosaic tiles are shiny and haze-free. When designing and grouting your mosaic project, you have a choice in how you want to style your edges. For a more polished look, you can choose to adhere tiles to the edges as you did the surface, and grout the edges in the same way. With a wood base like this owl, you can scrub the grout onto the edges to achieve a color-washed look. In my experience, I've seen this method work best when using darker shades of grout. Another option is using acrylics to paint the edges. For this method, I suggest using either the same color as your grout or a color representative of the color scheme used in your surface design.